Hello, good morning students. Myself Devi Dayal. Today's I brought for you new chapter for the class 12. Let's discuss for this one electric charge and field. Today we have to discuss about the electric charge, basic properties of this one, and one laws is there, Coulomb's law. Let's now we have to discuss about the what is the electric charge. That means charge. Charge. It is an intrinsic property of matter. It is an intrinsic properties of matter. In charge, it will be exist in only mass. It is an intrinsic properties of matter. Another definition, you can say that electric charge is a physical property of matter, causes it to be experience a force when placed in electromagnetic field. There are two types of charge, one negative. There are two types of charge, negative charge, and second is here it is the follows the basic properties, that means negative charge, that means like charge always repel. Negative charge, negative always it will be repel. And another thing, positive charge, it is also repel because it has a like charges. Next, negative and positive charge, it is attract. Electric charge is denoted by Q. It is denoted by Q. Its SI unit is Coulomb. It is denoted by C, capital C. Capital C. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. That means charges is there is no direction, only it has to magnitude. That's why it is the scalar quantity. Basic properties of charge. Number one is conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. It can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred one body to another. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can transfer one body to another. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. First of all, we know that what do you mean by quantization? Quantization, that means available in fixed amount. That means suppose we are going to buy something just as pen, books. Pen, it will be get only one, not a two half, one half like that. Okay, that's it. We are knowing about the quantization meaning. Available in fixed amount. Fixed amount. The charge always exists in integral multiple of fundamental charge. Fundamental charge. Fundamental charge, that means one electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the fundamental charge. That means we have to take example plus 1 electron plus 2 electron plus 3 electron plus Ne. N is an integer number. Similarly, minus 1 electron, minus 2 electron, minus 3 electron, minus Ne. For this one, Q charge is equal to plus minus Ne. This is the quantization of charge. Q is equal to plus minus Ne, because plus 1 electron plus 2 electron, similarly it's finally plus Ne. N, that means integer. N is the integer number.